So what am I doing aside from, I have one last strength training workout right before I go to bed, abs. The Atlas I got because I flipped to Ireland. And then I've been doing this thing. I gotta double check. Sometimes my husband's play tricks on me. And so I've been conserving my money, and I usually eat oatmeal for breakfast, and so what I've been doing, oh, it looks like one of the bags punctured or something like that, is pulling the bags for my Ireland trip, so I don't have to spend money. So I'm taking my food from now, so I'm taking stuff for myself. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bags of oatmeal I had pulled for my normal daily eating. And each day I take one thing that I would normally eat and put it towards Ireland. So this is just like a snack when I'm out and about, or emergency food. And then I've also been taking these, which are Crystal Light water / caffeine. And when I opened the box, there were 10. And so there are 2 left in the box, and 2 left in the box of my oatmeal. And so my husband's put 1 or 2 in the box, and I'm just double counting to make sure, because they like to do this kind of thing just to make sure I'm paying attention to my counting. So there's 1, 2, and do like this, 4, 6, 8. They did. My husband's put 1 extra 1 in the box. So there were originally 10 of these, and then they snuck 1 in the box to be like, we're helping you pack for Ireland and giving you some extra energy, because these ones have caffeine in them. I really like them. They work, and it's perfect to have 1 of these on hand, like if I'm driving and I have a cup of coffee in the morning and then I get tired, just have some of this when I'm driving or something, a way to stay alert, and emergency and or snack food. So I am going one day. Okay, and if this food expires before Ireland, I could do this again. I love my husbands. Thank you, Nathaniel. Thank you, Elon. Thank you, Gerbrand. Thank you, Dane. Thank you, Russell. Thank you, Harry. Thank you all.